BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Biomarin Pharmaceutical stock a buy? I'm about to be breaking all this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now here's the thing. We went down 0.5% yesterday, which is not bad. I mean, it's just definitely something. I have done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I've documented it all. Especially with Biomarin, I'm telling you, like, with certainty that with this bearish idea that I had recently, I'm still sticking with it. You know, it's not that I'm gonna change anything, because my break-even still have not been hit, and that's great. I mean, we're very close for me to be taken out, but here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand. Now, why would I be bearish? Because it's a bearish market, and I only was bearish if I saw a double break, and I saw that double break, which is phenomenal. Crazy part is I also got 6 likes, 5 without mine, and I don't get a lot of likes when I'm short, right? And there you go, like, this is very nice. Unless, like, if the price touches the zone, then obviously I'm going to be taken out, but other than that, I'm just going to let it go and see what the outcome of this opportunity is going to be. Again, I'm just not going to sit here and assume stuff on nothing. But if you want to stay tuned, get free stock picks and emails and insights daily, click the first link in the description. It's free.